Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this vintage aluminum bowl, which has suffered from oxidation and is well worn, to a mirror finish. The first thing we're going to do is take some of our California Custom high-tech aluminum deoxidizer step 1, place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it into our aluminum bowl, and then we're going to allow it to dry. Next, we're going to take the California Custom, the original purple metal polish. We're just going to place it on our Scott Blue shop towel, and then we're going to rub it into the aluminum bowl until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to take another Scott Blue shop towel, and we're going to wipe away all this purple polish to reveal a mirror shine. Now we are ready for the California Custom Amron Glass Absolute Cloud Free Clear Coat Cleaner and Wax. We're just going to place it on our Scott Blue shop towel, wipe it into the aluminum bowl until it's as dark as possible, wait for it to dry, then we're going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel. This aluminum bowl did have a bunch of pits in it from the oxidation, but I still think we did a really good job restoring this aluminum bowl. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.